Today we will start today we will start current electricity. First of all, what is current? When two charged bodies at different potential are connected by a conducting wire, electrons flow from the body at lower potential to one at higher potential. Till the potential of both the bodies become equal. That is, potential between the two bodies becomes zero. Suppose we have two charged bodies. One is positively charged and other is negatively charged, connected with an insulated strand. These are two insulated strands. Charge on body A is positive and charge on body B is negative. This is body B. Body A is on high potential and body B is on low potential. And if we connect these two bodies with a metal wire, so flow of electron, direction of the flow of electron is from B to A, which is low potential, to the higher potential, and flow of electric current is from body A to B, which is higher potential to the lower potential. The flow of electric current stops when two bodies came to the same potential. So we can say that the rate of flow of electric charge from one body to the another body through a conductor such a metal wire is called electric current, and its direction is opposite to the direction of the flow of electrons. This rate of flow of electric charge from one body to another body through a conductor such as metal wire is called electric current, and its direction is opposite to the direction of flow of electrons. This is basically one definition of electric current, or we can say that the quantity of charge passing through a given point of a conductor in 1 second is called electric current. The quantity of charge passing through a given point of a conductor in 1 second is called electric current. Thus, if Q is the charge which flows through a conductor in time t, then electric current is given by, thus Q is the charge which flows through a conductor in time t, then the electric current is given by current I is equals to charge Q upon time, which is in t. So I is equals to Q upon t, Q by t, then charge is equals to IT. This is also an important formula of charge. Electric current basically is a scalar quantity. Now we find out the units of current. The SI unit of current is ampere, which is denoted by a letter A. SI unit of current is ampere, which is denoted by letter E. Current is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb of charge flow through any cross section of the conductor in 1 second. The basic definition of current is that current is said to be 1 ampere if 1 coulomb of charge flows through any cross section of a conductor in 1 second. That is 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb, which is charge, upon 1 second, which is time. So we can say that 1 ampere is equals to 1 coulomb per second, which is a unit of current. Now we find out the direction of current. What is the direction of current? When electricity was invented a long time back, it was known that there are two types of charges, positive charge and negative charge. But the electron had been discovered at that time. So electric current was considered to be a flow of positive charge, and the direction of flow of positive charge was taken to be a direction of electric current. Thus the conventional direction of electric current is from positive terminal of the cell to the negative terminal through a circuit. The conventional direction of current is from positive terminal of cell or battery to the negative terminal. Now, how current flow in a wire? Now we study about the how current flow in the wire. As electric current is the flow of electrons in the metal wire, when a cell or battery is connected across its ends, a metal wire has plenty of free electrons in it. When the metal wire has not been connected to a source of electricity like a cell or a battery, then the electron present in it moves at random in all directions between the atoms and the metal wire. If we take a metal wire, for an example, if we take a metal wire of any length, the flow of electrons in this metal wire is random, means electrons moves in any direction which is random. As we all know that electric current is a flow of electrons. Electric current is flow of electrons in a metal wire, and when a cell or battery is connected across its end, a metal wire has a plenty of free electron in it. As we all know that metal wire has a plenty of free electrons in it. When a metal wire has been connected to a source of electricity, then the present electron will move at random in all directions between the atoms and the metal wire shown below. When a source of electricity like now, now if we take a metal wire and connected to a potential or source with positive and negative terminal, the movement of the electrons now is not a uniform, now is not a random in same direction. So we can say that when a source of electricity like cell or a battery is connected between the ends of the metal wire, then an electric force acts on the electrons present in the wire. Since the electrons are negatively charged, they start moving from negative end to the positive end of the wire. And this flow of electron constitutes the electric current in the wire. Electric current in the wire.